I want to shift the conversation a little bit to the rental market in general. We just talked about keeping your head in the game. And of course, big point of discussion in everywhere in the news is affordable housing. And then a lot of investors are kind of just wondering, how long can these rental increases continue on for? So based on your experiences with how long it's taking to rent things and any concessions you might need to provide to prospective tenants, what's your feeling about the direction of the rental market?
Well, I think every year there's somewhat of a seasonal adjustment. As we go into winter, demand is going to slow down and it's going to pick up again in the springtime. But when you talk over a longer period of time, I've been surprised by it too, to be honest. I didn't think that the real estate market, the rental market, both of them could continue to just keep ascending for this many years, because it's been 10 years now. And I think that's probably the longest period of economic expansion in U.S. history. So I would say all good things have to come to an end at some point. But I think that some of the economic policies that we have right now with the tax cuts and the Fed keeping interest rates low, that's going to continue to keep things going for a while until there's some sort of a larger correction in the market, probably similar to what we had 10, 12 years ago. But as far as affordable housing, it is a real issue. And I can't even claim to understand how you can create affordable housing, because labor prices are so high that construction prices are high and material prices are high. So if you wanted to build something, it's going to inherently cost more. And so I was just reading the other day too, that 53% of the houses in Minneapolis are being rented. So it's a rental economy that we live in now. And everything from like Uber and Airbnb and some of these other kinds of technological shifts that we've seen, a lot of people in the millennial and younger generation, they might not be having the same aspirations necessarily to own. So I think as long as the demand continues, I don't know. I think it's gonna continue to be an issue. It's gonna be hard for people to afford it. So.
Yeah, another example of supply and demand here.
Mm-hmm.
Want to hear more on this topic? Click the link below for the full episode of Maximizing Your Property Value.